Hey guys, so today I got a new computer because my old computer just decided to die on me. I've been getting a lot of blue screen of that, and that sucks, and I don't know why. So it just started happening a couple months ago, so I decided I was like, screw this, I'm gonna get a new computer and maybe try to fix this one. But I had this computer for already like 3 years. Just a quick reference, this is an Asus 2-in-1. It has 500 gigabytes of internal memory, it's an i5. 6 gigabytes of RAM. I don't remember any other specs. But I remember I bought this computer for around, I got it refurbished. It was refurbished, open box, and on Black Friday. And it didn't have a charger. So I got it for a really good deal. This was like for 400 bucks, 350, something like that. Which for this type of computer was really good. It's a 13-inch computer. Which is personally I think is the best size for a computer because it's not too big, not too small. You get it to carry it everywhere. So I was looking for something similar to that with similar or better specs. I didn't want to spend that much money, like maybe like something below 800, 700, something like that. But I've been doing a lot of processing like Illustrator, AutoCAD, Revit, Premiere Pro mostly for editing these types of videos. So I was like, I need to get something okay, and I decided to get this. I got it at Best Buy, as you can see from the packaging. It was the same price as Amazon, so that was pretty good. What I got the Dell, I think it's S700, Dell Inspiron 13. The 700 series is a 2-in-1 computer. I got the 13-inch, just the 13.3-inch screen, just the same as the other one. Because that way I don't have to buy a new case, right? Let me open it up and showcase the ports, and I will tell you guys what it has. Oh, shit. I'm so bad opening this type of stuff, but just bear with me a little bit. Alright, this is so nice. Just gonna cut it. I'm over this. I'm over trying to be, civilized. There we go. Open it up. See what we have inside. Oh, crap. Charger. Gel. Something. Okay. See what else is inside. I read a little bit about. I had a bunch of computers in mind before making a choice. One of them was the Grain. I think it's by LG or Dell, I don't remember. The other one was the Asus ThinkPad, the Lenovo Yoga 2. I like Lenovo and Asus, those are my two favorite computer brands. I had bad experiences with Dell, but for the money to what you get radio, I think this was probably one of the best choices I could have made. I will give you the price and the specs of this computer real quick, just so you see if there's anything else. It's a bunch of crap. Alright, nobody reads the manual. I didn't even get stickers. So this is the computer. It's an ultra thin notebook, I believe. I think it's less than 3 pounds. I don't know. Compared to my old computer, wow, this is very light. Yeah, this is way lighter than this. It's a little smaller and it's way lighter, at least 2 times lighter than this. Okay, so this is a Dell Inspiron. What it has, I got the i7 computer with a 256 solid state drive. Personally, yes, I like more the faster processor and the faster hard drive, but I don't really care for it. I'd rather have more space. So that's one thing that kind of annoys me from this one. I would prefer to have like maybe a 1 terabyte hard drive, or maybe like a 128 solid state drive and a 500 gigabyte hard drive inside the computer, because I do a lot of video editing, so I have like big sizes for my videos. But that's a small problem only. I guess I can get like a external drive or something. Okay, this is an i7 256 solid state drive. Processor is the new 620D, I think that's the name. So it should be pretty good. This one comes with face recognition. It has that crap Microsoft ink that I don't think I will ever use, but it sounds cool on paper. I don't remember what else it has. One thing that I remember that I read is that it has universal charging here. So it has a USB Type-C, and it charges like that, and apparently like it charges real fast. They say it goes from 0 to 50% in like 15 minutes. So I mean, that's pretty good if you're on the go. It's ultra thin, it's super light. It's very well built, very sturdy. Let's open it up. The keyboard feels very premium. It's a really nice computer. And I read that the sound is pretty good. That's probably, from what I read, it's probably one of the best buys that you can get for your money at this price point. Which, I mean, now let's talk about the price. It's actually not that bad for what you get. You get an i7 with 256 solid state drive, and the price right now, if you don't want it with Office or any of that crap, is $850. And let's be real, who gets Office, right? Who buys that? Who buys antivirus? You can just torrent all of that crap. So you get this computer for $850. And just to make a comparison, the Surface Pro, they go for around the same price, $850, and they have 128 solid state drive, and it's usually an i5. So I mean, this is a monster compared to that, and for the same price. The Lenovo Yoga also, like, for around $850, you get an i5 processor with a 256 solid state drive. So you're getting a faster processor and pretty much the same solid state drive in a very compact form factor. It's probably not as sexy as the Surface Pro, but I mean, this looks freaking sturdy. Now, one of the things I don't like about Dell in computers is that, for me at least, they haven't lasted that long. They usually, like, after 2 years, they just die. I used to have an Alienware, which died like after 1.5 years, and that pissed me off because that was expensive. And then I used to have a 15-inch Dell too, and it stopped working after 2 years. So let's hope this one is different. It has really good reviews, so I have my hopes up. Like, honestly, for that price, it's really good. Let's go for the ports. They have an SD card, the charging cable, the C regular charging, HDMI. I have no idea what this is. Another USB-C. No, it's just a regular USB, and the headphone jack. So I'm gonna be setting this up. So far, just from reading it, I think it's a good computer. Like I said, my only complaint is 256 internal hard drive, but you're getting a solid state drive, so I mean, it's a really good compromise. Let me know what you think. And I think this is a very good computer if you're a college student, because it's very compact and you're getting like really good value. I've been looking at benchmarks for these types of computers, and it seems that this can run like, maybe not like super high, like, you know, max settings on games, but you can pretty much run a good number of games, and it shouldn't have a problem running it. I'm probably gonna be